Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Goddess Style. I'm Erin Rosa Crow, also known as the Goddess Mom, the Goddess Coach. My aim in life is to turn every woman I meet into her own form of a goddess, whatever that may be. Anyway, before I share with you today my very simple tip, I would like you to please excuse me. I might be coughing intermittently while filming this really short video. I've just come down with my second viral infection. The first one was I had a flu about a month ago, and while I was just getting better on the third week, a couple of days ago, my husband came home from London and brought a cold with him. So now, as I was getting better, my immune system was a little bit down, I came down with another horrible cold. My nose is sniffly, my chest still hurts. But anyway, that will not stop me because I am positive. Now anyway, as today's topic is all about finding that little positivity. Now, what is that simple trick? Now, this is a very simple psychological hack that anyone can do. I mean, unless you're suffering from severe neurological disorder or you have a mental issue like, depression or something like that needs medication and you need to see a doctor. Every one of us go through days where we just feel a bit shit, really. Where you just wake up and you're just like, oh, I just feel tired. I don't really feel like getting out of bed. I just want to snuggle in bed. But things need to be done. The work needs to be, finished. The office needs to be clocked in. Whatever, you got school, something like that. So this is my very, very simple trick. When you wake up in the morning, you go look in the mirror, and what do you see? You probably see like this. You see like eye bags, you see lines, you see wrinkles or whatever. You know what? Stop all that. Look in the mirror, and when you're looking in the mirror and you just go, do that. Like literally smile. Force yourself to smile. Forcing yourself to smile actually activates all kinds of chemical reaction in your brain. It makes you is that my cat trying to come in? Yes, that is my cat. Sorry, I'm just in my garden right now. So what happens is when you force yourself to smile, you trick your brain into releasing feel-good hormones. Yes, that's right. No matter how shitty you feel that day, when you look in the mirror and you force yourself to smile, you can't help but feel happy. I feel very silly doing this, but anyway, this is my trick. Every single day, I wake up in the morning. I try not to look at how sleepy my eyes are or whether I've got eye bags that day. I look in the mirror and I always one thing, I feel blessed that I'm still waking up, that I'm awake, that I get to wake up. That's one of those things that kind of make me feel alive that day. But also just being able to just look in the mirror and go, I'm happy today. Trick yourself into saying that you're happy. Trick yourself into thinking that things are going to be all right that day, and smile. So this is the reason why when I live in London, everybody says, oh, Londoners are a miserable bunch of people. They never smile. They're so boring. They're so monotonous. I literally walk around with a smile permanently plastered to my face because of this mind hack that I do, right? And half the time I don't even notice that I'm walking around doing this. Like, I'm walking around looking like an idiot half the time, and I don't notice it because it's become such a habit to constantly plaster a smile on my face. It's become kind of like a catch-22. The more I smile, the happier I feel, even though maybe my mind is full of troubles. I'm thinking of lots of stuff, my business, my work, my family, my kids, or something like that. So, and I remember walking around London and I would get smile back from people, and I'm thinking, why are they smiling at me? And then I realized, oh, that's because this idiot right here is walking around with a smile plastered to her face. So people think that I'm smiling to them, and in turn they smile back to me, and that makes me genuinely want to smile back, right? You see what I mean? That catch-22, that kind of ball that keeps turning, a positive ball. So that's my trick. So I want to share with you this. Based on the religion I was raised in, there's a saying in that religion, charity, the simplest charity you can do is to give a smile to someone else. So I always take that little saying and I really, really kind of like it, because for me, if I can't give money to someone else, if I can't buy a house to someone, to the homeless, and I can't take a child away from Yemen, from going through war, the only thing I can do every single day is to smile at you. It makes you happy and it makes me feel much better about myself. It makes me feel positive, and naturally when you're positive, success happens. So there you go, my very, very simple hack, simple trick to make you wake up feeling positive, and when you feel positive, you feel happy, right? Simple, simple, simple. What do you do tomorrow morning when you wake up? Smile, you're on candid camera. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you got something to say to me, write it down in the comments. And if you haven't already, turn on the bell button so you'll be notified by email when I post my next vlog. Talk to you, love you guys very much, and I shall keep smiling today even though I feel really shit. I'm taking lots of medication today. Mwah.